Aloha, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Just wanted to bring you another new arrival. This one's our 2019 Kia Niro hybrid. Being a hybrid, this one is rated to get 40 to 46 miles per gallon. This one does feature keyless entry on both front door handles. So as long as you got the key fob on you, you just hit that button, it'll lock and unlock it for you. You don't have to pull the key fob out anymore. On top of that, this one does also come equipped with blind spot monitoring system, as well as a leather combination seat. You do get power driver seat function, and that one in the back here is going to be your lower back adjustment or lumbar adjustment. This vehicle also comes with a premium Harman Kardon sound system, as well as power folding mirrors, power windows, and locks, of course. This one's got about 51,780 miles on the dash, so it does come with some warranty. You also get a nice big touchscreen for your infotainment needs. There's your AC controls, you got chargers, 12-volt adapters as well, and then this one is an automatic. The front two seats are equipped with heated seat function too. And you got 3 more seats back here in the second row. You got AC vents as well. And then the seats are actually in great condition. This one does come with WeatherTech mats as well. And then here's your cargo space. And then with the second row, you can knock it down. And it does go down real flat for a lot extra hauling or cargo space. This one does come equipped with reverse camera as well. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this one, please give us a call. Our number is 808-334-1111, and just ask for Daniel. I'm one of the salesmen down here. If you're interested in trying to get pre-approved on this one, just head over to our website, hit the financing tab at the top. That'll take you right to our credit app form. Only takes a few minutes to fill out, and then we can go right to work for you. And this one does qualify for some pretty strong rates being in 2019. So if you're interested, please give us a call or just stop by and ask for Daniel. Thanks for your time.